Please give me a hiccup medicine.
Yes, customer.
Why are you hitting me?
Hiccups get better if something happens suddenly.
My girlfriend had hiccups, not me.
And love